You searched how to buy shares of Origin Energy Limited, and this video shows the practical steps. Origin Energy is an Australian energy company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker ORG.ASX. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the flow. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ORG.ASX to find the stock. Select the matching Origin Energy listing to ensure you have located the correct security. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Origin Energy. Check the listed exchange shows CBOE AUS and the ticker ORG.ASX for certainty. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details carefully before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the trade. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For a direct link to the example platform, check the description below.